Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. So friends, I will discuss a topic that the top 10 office gadgets you did know you needed. So friends, I will start a video and let's go to the mobile screen. So let's start. At your IT department, we love a gadget. We have recently post our favorite laptops, keyboard and mic for you to peruse. This week we decided to look a thing that may be a teeny bit less particle. List you obviously need a mouse that is fully programmable and can contact to three different devices at a flick of a switch. Some of the favorite gadget might be a bit more difficult to justify for a purchasing department. Wireless charger, this handy little device will make you think, who did I ever live without this? I like the from having wires laid all across your desk to just plank it on and away it goes. You will need a phone that supports wireless charging, of course, but the majority of the modern smartphones do. Portable monitors. Do you need more screen space but you have got now here for a full-time monitor? Then a portable monitor might be the answer. We like the we like the ASUS MB 169C 15.6 model, but if you are really tight on desk space, check out Packed Pixel 10.1 option, very handy, and let's face they look kinda look too. It helps add productivity and organization by tracking the time you spend doing certain tasks throughout the day. You can quickly and easily see where you are spending your time and become more productive. So the next one is wireless handphones. There are nothing much to say about a gadget everyone know about, but these come in very handy in a business. Whatever you are taking a phone call without the wires, or you just want to zone out and crack on this with a task. There are countless options in ear. Our ear noise cancelling, the list goes on. There are options for every budget, from a few quid to literally hundreds. Looking to spend the big bucks, go base. But if you are budget in more modest, check the sound beats. The True Air 2S provides superb value of money. When we saw this, we instantly thought of all the times we did not have access to the scanner or had on clogging up desk space. Not anymore. This scanner is tiny. It will connect with any device via Wi-Fi and has a USB rechargeable battery. Better yet, it will fit in your drawer. So the next one is Amber Bug 2. Amber Mug 2. We are talking a turn to the more novelty but still handy side of tech with the Amber Mug 2. This mug is labeled as a smart mug designed for home or office. Amber Mug 2 does more than simply keep your coffee hot. This smart mug allows you to set on exact drinking temperature, so your coffee is never too hot or too cold. It will then maintain your chosen temperature from 1.8 hours 1.5 hours, you know just in case you have a meeting that you forgot about and do not what your drink to go cold. So the next one is Nobela Anchor uh, Capsule Max projectors. We all know that they are and how most business could benefit from one, but who about one the size of the can of pop? This mini projector would be incredibly handy if you do not have the space for a full size projector and screen and need to share a presentation or even as a backup in case the meeting room is booked up. Where dear monitor stand riser with USB ports. These monitor not only helps with the gaming and correct posture at work and having your monitors at the correct level, but also expand your connection with four extra USB 3.0 ports on the side. You will never go short. Oh, and did we mention it looks very stylish and modern too? Top gadget USB hub. Lots of your new gizmos are going to need a USB port, and your laptop or desktop just might not have enough. Have no fear if we have a solution. This Anchor 10 port USB hub with 3 dedicated to charging should have you covered. So the next one is smart speaker. No modern office or work from home setup is complete without the ultimate gadget, a speaker you can ask to do stuff for you. Setting reminder, adding things to your to-do list, putting appointments in your calendar, taking notes, making list, setting timers, even finding your phone. Your smart speaker can do it all. If you are working on your own at home, it can even give you someone to talk to.